Yo, I got my first order pretty much right away. This one's going to be IHOP, $9 going 2.5 miles. This one is most likely not going to be ready, but shouldn't take too long either, hopefully. This is like the most empty I've seen this parking lot ever. I guess it's time to be dumb, isn't it? Got a Walmart order, $11 going 5 miles. Well, I'm like the only person here, so could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. All right. Got that order relatively quickly when it comes to Walmart. And it looks like we're pretty much just down the street from the drop-off, so this one should be pretty easy. Looks like I got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for the Human Bean, $10 and some change, going about 5.5 miles. Ooh, that is about 5 cars in front of me. Don't know about this anymore. Well, kind of locked in now. There's 3 cars behind me, and there's still 4 in front of me, so kind of screwed.
All right, there is that part. We're just waiting for the drinks. All right, there's that, and straws are in there.
Thank you. Well, now I know why there were so many cars in that drive-thru. They were so slow. That took like 10 minutes to make 2 drinks. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7 and some change, going just about 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Hello. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, next order up is going to be for a Taco Bell. This is most likely going to be a 50-50, so might be a waste of time. I believe it's at $9 going like 4.5 miles. Well, I wasn't recording, but as soon as I pulled up, there was an employee outside cleaning up or something, but told me that they don't open for another 20 minutes. So that's a waste of time. Oh well. Don't always get lucky on the 50-50s, I guess. Okay, this one's probably not going to be worth it either. This is going to be an IHOP, $7 and some change, going just under 4 miles. I only say that because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot busier now than it was for the first one, now that more people are awake. Yeah, we are striking out right now. No orders ready in sight, and the lobby was pretty much full. That was not going to be worth it. But I just got this order. It's a stack going to 2 different customers. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. I think it's only 1 item, and a Chick-fil-A. $15 going 6 miles. This one might be worth it. I'm going to do the shopping first because Chick-fil-A is known to be very slow, and it's like right across the street anyways.
Call there and see the answer.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome in.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Well, I took this order by accident. It's a Krispy Kreme. I think it said $11 going like 6 miles. You too. Wait. Pretty sure these were supposed to be chocolate milks.
So are you able to call them because they're actually out of chocolate milk?
I really love how that guy was just gonna let me walk out with the wrong order. Oh, and of course this one has to be a meat at door. Looks like I've got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Seize the Bagel, $7 and some change, going 2 miles. This one should be ready for me by the time I get there, unless they're like super swamped, but I don't wanna jinx myself, so let's just pretend it's not right down the street. Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Yep.
We're probably working on it, so it'll probably be like 10 to 15 minutes.
I guess I did jinx myself, huh? We're not doing that. Got this order right away. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Petco. $8.25 going 3.5 miles. Is it? No, it's not that. Is it this? No. It's gotta be this one then. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, do not tell me. 3rd floor, huh? Oh, of course it's upstairs. It is always upstairs. All right, next order up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is going to be $16.25 going 6 miles. First half of it is going to be a shop and deliver for Target. I believe it's at 3 items. And the second half is going to be a Seize the Bagel. Double chocolate muffins with zucchini in the frozen section, huh? Strange.
Perfect. There's this guy, and they also have a drink.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let the record show I'm putting the Seize the Bagel in the Target bag. Next order just came in. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Target. This is $10 going less than 4 miles, 2 items.
Oh, is it one of these?
That would be it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Looks like it's going to be a puppy's birthday today. And on that note, I think I'll call it. Current time is 11:43. Total is 126. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.